Hello everyone, it is Walt here once again with another great part from my friend Liz's series here on really just hacking your life in terms of being happier and having more enjoyment and a lot of other wonderful things. And she has some absolutely amazing content, so go check it out, and I'm sure we'll collaborate on something in the future. But here we are with the fourth principle, and this is the last free principle, as she says, because it's, something you can do for free with a, pretty small amount of time. And this one, she says, is about unfollowing. So go to your Instagram and unfollow a bunch of people. Yeah, I think I'm the lame person here because I'm probably one of the 5 people left, in the first world who does not have an Instagram. I would say that's because I just don't really see the point. I'm on my phone to play chess and to, work on my content, make notes and stuff like that. Shoot videos, do review sessions for my classes. I'm not there to look at people's photos, but if you look at social psychology here, a lot of people use Instagram as a tool to make other people feel jealous. They're like, oh, I'm gonna take these 300 pictures, I'm gonna pick the perfect one, and I'm gonna make everybody envious of how great my day is. I'm gonna make it look like I'm having a lot of fun, even though I'm actually shooting like 300 pictures and then sorting through the best, to the best one. And it's like, come on, guys, enjoy your life. Don't just try to frame it so everybody's so envious of all the great stuff you got. That's just, I don't get it, So I feel like Instagram does a lot of that kind of stuff. And really, Liz's point here is just excellent. When you have people who are really negative, just get rid of them in terms of following them. I know your family is your family. You can't just throw them out as much as you might want to from time to time. But a lot of people who are like our neighbors, or which she mentions, or our very distant family or things like that, these are people that we don't need to follow their stuff if it's going to be negative or if it's going to be politically upsetting to us, because political news is so polarized these days. We have so much of that kind of stuff that's really, there's so much negativity out there, and we need to be positive. We need things in our lives that are going to make us happy, not things that are going to bring us down, because neuroplasticity, the exposure of different things to us, will affect our lives. So if we keep getting exposed to negativity, our thoughts, the neural pathways, basically, for those kind of things will be strengthened. So if we always listen to our neighbors' rants about things, then those neural pathways will be stronger, and then in the future we're going to think about them more often. We're going to become more negative and more unhappy as people. Now, us people with a positive mental attitude may never become entirely negative, but our lives will be worse if we go along with that kind of stuff. So unfollow those kind of people. I feel like this is really relevant for my mom, for example. She's somebody who is always looking on Facebook for outrage stuff about her family. She's like, can you believe my cousin just said this, or this person said this, or this crazy, anti-vax thing here. And this stuff, just outrages her all the time. And it's like, how does that help anybody? When you're outraged, you're just creating your you're redirecting your can't talk sometimes. You're redirecting your neural pathways in order to have them be more negative, to strengthen your negative thoughts, and to make yourself, more unhappy here. So don't do that. Unfollow people that are negative and get away from the naysayers in your life. It'll make a massive difference for you. So anyway, thanks for watching. Check out Liz's amazing content as well. Check out some of my stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time with our next part in this series. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.